Hello there, friends. So it is day 4, is it? No, shit, it's day 5 of this cleanse. And oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm gonna weigh myself in now on Wednesday. No, today is Wednesday. On Monday, what the fuck? What day is it today? On Monday, I weighed myself and I weighed 72.5 kilos. I didn't record that, I'm sure you can believe me. So 2 days after, I'm gonna weigh myself in and see if it has changed or not. I am after my first juice, but I only really have had half a glass because I didn't feel like it, you know? I didn't feel hungry, so that's nice. So yeah, I'm gonna weigh myself in now and we shall see. So yeah, I went down another kilo, which is amazing. Because I am home all week, I took some time off. Not to do the cleanse, actually. I just had some time in lieu I had to take out, and you know, it turned out perfectly that I could do my cleanse at home, because it probably would have been really hard to do at work, because I have free lunches at my work, and it would have been very hard to say no because some of the lunches there are delicious. But yeah, it turned out pretty well. So the plan for today is to organize my kitchen. My pantry drawer is organized actually, so I'm happy with that. I'm gonna do the other pantry drawer today, and also my hand drawer. So yeah, I want to organize that so that it's a nice, you know, and nice. So yeah, I'm gonna film me doing it, and yeah, that's it. So this is how this drawer looks like. It's a mess. Now I want to organize it so that it looks better, and actually so that it looks like this drawer, for example. So that's organized for me, I guess. So yeah, let's get to it. Whoop whoop. Pantry drawer done. I couldn't film me actually doing it because I couldn't get the right angle, but this is how it looks. Food stuff here, other shite here, some medicine, kind of plastic stuff, straws, which I'm hoping to, you know, use up and then get paper straws, of course. Holy water, because why not? And I don't even know what this is. My future mother-in-law gave it to us, and honestly I can't remember what it's for. Knives, spare knives at the back, and cans here, jars here, and sweetie stuff here. So yeah, this is how it's looking. Pretty good, huh? Okay lads, so it's time to tackle this drawer. Whew, I'm gonna die. Boom. 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 Such a mess, but we can do it. There's literally everything in there, from electrical appliances to pans to sieves, freaking, what are those, forms for cakes, to bowls, to absolutely everything. But yeah, let's get it started. Okay, so it is time for a shake, for a juice, not a shake. I'm gonna have some carrots. I'm gonna do a third of the sweet potato, some grapefruit, some pear, and 2 oranges. So I hope it's nice. It is. and I like grapefruits. And actually, you would think that having a sweet potato in your juice is going to be disgusting, but it's actually quite the opposite. So, boom, let's do it. Cheers. Hey you guys, so it is day 6 and we have decided that we have enough. So yeah, we're breaking our juice cleanse now. It is actually been full 6 days, so I'm feeling great. Martin's feeling great. He did not want to come here on camera, but yeah. So yeah, we're breaking our fast with some scrambled eggs. So yeah, that was it. Okay, so here I am. It's actually been, I think, like 2 or 3 weeks since I had done the juice cleanse, and as you saw in the clip before, we had finished it at day 6. So we have not done the 9-day or the 7-day juice cleanse. We had just decided that it is time to call it quits. So some of you might think that I had failed my juice cleanse, but in all honesty, it has been 6 days that that was just drinking juices. So that is a really great achievement, at least for me. Like I said, it's been a few weeks since I had done it, and I think it now is the best time to tell you how I felt about it. So I loved it, honestly. When I finished it, I was like, wow, I am feeling so good. I am feeling so cleansed. I am just over the moon with the progress that I had made. Guys, I was a size 12, okay? And right now, I can fit into clothes that are size 10, which is amazing. Like, I'm so over the moon. I needed that boost to just, get me going on my weight loss journey, basically. So I'm continuing to eat more healthy, avoid fast food as much as I can, and just keep on going and keep losing weight more steadily. So I mean, it's great if you struggle with losing weight and you need that kick to say, look, you can do it. You can lose some weight. You can lose some centimeters around, your arms or your thighs. This is a great way to start. So I would definitely recommend it to all of you, either to just cleanse your body out of toxins, or to give you that kick in the butt to basically start losing weight. So yeah, I loved it. I will definitely do it again, and I probably do it before my friend's wedding, just lose a little bit to kind of make that dress fit a little bit better. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my journey, and please leave me comments down below if you had done this juice cleanse, or if you're planning to, and leave me some recipes and stuff like that, because I'll definitely do it again. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But yeah, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.